What you say?
What end at? March 20th, I'm gapping your ass on the track. Frank, gapping your ass on the track. Your ass.
Make sure y'all support her channel. If I see y'all in the chat when she go live and you're not super chatting, I'm gonna hurt you. You're hurt. I'm not rocking with you. So spend that money. Stop playing.
Look at the shirt. Look at the shirt.
They do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. They do it. Come on. Come on. They do it. The beat living boom cause. They do it. The beat like a boom cause. They do it. Come on. Come on. The beat level boom cause she liking my flow. Big being on eyes, bitch caught the scope. Beat the ball, the rider with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch, gon' hit the dough. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime in the dude, but I still wipe your nose. They do it. They do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real lost star. Used to pull up and shut up the water. Now I'm showing the they do it. Hot little ball now.
So it is like 64 degrees out here, y'all, and it feels good. I'm getting ready to go do a few things before I head to a meet tonight. So, you know, I'm dressed for work already because I'm not coming back home. And I want to thank everybody for the birthday wishes. So, right now I'm about to go get gas. I'm going to show y'all this gas mess. And I got a clip from whenever I filled up on empty. I'm going to show y'all that. I don't think I'm on empty right now, but we're going to compare the prices. Make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop a green emoji when the video is over with. Come back and leave an actual comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Like I said, it's 64 degrees out here, so it ain't a cold start, but we're going to see what it sounds like. So this is where I'm currently at. Gas is $3.19 a gallon with my Shell's account. You know, you save 5 cents. You're gonna see how much it takes to fill up. So it took $49 to fill up. We're gonna compare that. Gas is $3.10. Let's see how much it's gonna take to fill up because I am completely on E. $31 for 16 gallons. Whew. Appreciate it. What you say?
What end at? March 20th, I'm gapping your ass on the track. Frank, gapping your ass on the track. Your ass. Not on the track. It's a difference on the highway when you beeping the horn with a kid in the car. Child endangerment.
Now I gotta bleed that out.
I should call CPS on your motherfucker.
Now I gotta bleed that out.
Yeah, street racing with a kid. Look
Hey.
Hey man, no, we rolling. No bullshit. We rolling to the bowling alley. He gonna look over and I'm like, no, he is not finna do this shit with his wife and his kid in the car. He beat the horn 3 times and took off my eyes. At that point, I couldn't catch up. She get right. Kendra quick to get right. She quick to hit that bitch like I'm gone.
TK.
What's up?
All right, now shout it out. Let me get you in the light. Let me turn around this way.
I'm white. I'm bright.
It don't matter.
I'll show up on film.
Go ahead. Shout it out.
Hey, what's up? Shout me out? No,
Yeah.
they need to subscribe to you. I got enough motherfucking subscribers.
But still, they need to know who you is if they don't know over here.
Oh, okay. TK's Garage on YouTube. Make sure y'all smash the like button, all that good shit. Make sure y'all support her channel. If I see y'all in the chat when she go live and you're not super chatting, I'm gonna hurt you. You're hurt. I'm not rocking with you. So spend that money. Stop playing.
Look at the shirt. Look at the shirt. Hey, where you get that made at?
Shop here in town. I got like 30 of them. They made them up. They were like
how much
$3
they charge?
a piece.
They like make any kind of light.
Yeah, and they like the real mechanic joints too, like with the. I don't know if that has it.
I see it.
It's like it's good.
Oh.
I thought I needed so many, so I made 30 because I thought they would fall apart.
Right.
I wear them if I go to a show or do something.
I like that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
See what we got out here. Woo! It's Hen Dog. I can't remember who this is. It's like I be remembering people's cars, but not their face.
Yeah. I do the same shit.
It's like somebody will say something to me, I'll be like, I say, just take me to your car.
Yeah.
Once I see that car, I know who they is.
I know you now.
He got a birthday. I seen his car on Instagram.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That green monster.
Mm-hmm. I gotta get them light though. I don't want that. I don't need the flash and shit.
Uh-huh.
I just want that solid green under it. Put that green behind my grill and I'm done.
It's a manual, right?
Yep. 6-speed manual. Tuned.
Got it tuned?
Mm-hmm.
What else you got done to it?
309, what is it? 309 gears in the rear end. So I upgraded my rear end. 6 piston Brembos instead of the 4, or is it 8 in the front, 6 in the back, whatever. I put the Hellcat Brembos on it.
Oh, you stopping.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I drag race it, so I want it to be, you know, if I'm running out there on the digs, I don't want to be like somebody at some car meet that runs up the ass of somebody else's car. I want to be able to hit that brake and stop. So, yep.
Anything done to the exhaust?
Oh yeah, brake pipe.
Straight pipe. Hey, that's the way to go.
Yeah. Aces exhaust out in Houston did it. They sponsored me. Firestone sponsored the tires. I got to get you plugged in with that. Them tires.
Definitely.
Hey, let me
Look at the seats.
oh yeah, the caramel seats. They only do 50 of them a year. So, yep. Let's see if she makes some noise.
Let me get to the back. Hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Spit flames.
You do?
If I'm up at like 70, 80, and I drop it in fourth and just let off the gas, wow.
And that day we was randomly in traffic, you was hitting there like, man. I said, I don't even want to hear it because I just want to listen to hear. That sounds good, man.
Yep.
What's up, y'all?
How you doing?
All right, y'all might have been on YouTube. I know them two, though.
What's up?
You see you in that video?
Which one?
Come on, I posted it yesterday.
Oh, my phone. I ain't check it out yet.
Come on, man. You still, where your phone at?
I was in the car.
Oh.
You know, I got schoolwork and shit. I be busy. You know,
You still be on your phone, though.
But you see the road we can line up, you know, we got more on the way.
Some more pulling up.
Yeah, we got more pulling up.
Let's go. So they got me in that bitch.
Yeah.
What's up, Slime?
What's up? Shout it out, yeah.
Man, I don't know what to shout out. Hey, find my fucking, look at my beautiful car.
That's all you got to say.
Look at my beautiful car.
You know how many times you've been on my channel and you still ain't told me like what you got done to the car?
The wrap and some new wheels. That's about it.
You ain't got no different code intake or nothing?
Nope, not yet.
Exhaust?
I'm gonna do, look, I'm gonna put bike kit on it.
Yeah. I remember you been told me that.
Just waiting for the right time.
Right.
I'm about to go home, bro.
You said you about to go
I
home?
didn't bring a hoodie, so
Aw.
yeah, I'm
Man.
I'll see y'all later.
You gonna do something when you pull off?
Huh?
You gonna do something when you pull off?
I ain't burnt shit. I got brand new tires.
You got new tires.
Let's go. Let's go. So they got me in that mode, bitch. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Smoke a big ass blunt to the face, bitch, I'm lit. I start snapping on songs, now they fuck on my shit. I cannot leave my pole like I'm stuck on my shit. We gon' fuck up the city.
What's up? Shout it out.
Oh no.
Like, who the fuck is that nigga?
GTI.
That's hard.
See you in that last video?
Oh no. No, I didn't see it. Was I in there? Now I'm
Yeah.
so awkward.
Remember when we met up over there in
I remember.
Carly C's?
Yeah, Carly C.
I'm about to leave business cards.
Yeah, we need them business cards.
Shake the block, and I'm gonna leave that.
My people said where they merch at.
Yeah, I remember.
You told them in the other video. It don't matter where the merch at.
Where is the design? Give me the design, and I will make your merch.
How soon you gonna have it made?
The next day.
The next day?
Next day. I will give you a sample the next day.
Sure. Alright then, I'm gonna get you the design.
You know I got you.
And I'm gonna put your Instagram right there so they control you.
They're leaving it too in there.
Don't. Hey, look.
They gonna treat you with respect though, cause you got on your uniform.
Yeah. Don't pay attention to this. I don't make that much money. Rubbing like a motherfucker.
Go ahead, talk your talk. You said what now?
Man, look, I want to hang out with the real slime chick. You know what I'm saying? On the good foot,
Right?
real deal. I've been watching your videos.
So you subscribe to my channel?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, your phone in your car? What's the last video I posted?
I see. Listen, I don't know the last one you posted. I watch them all.
Right?
I watch them all. Watch everybody. Stop watching.
I'm posting one tomorrow. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm posting one on my birthday.
What you gonna do for your birthday?
Go to work.
You know what we think you should do? Every car should have you in the middle, like you're in a birthday cake, and we just burn around you just like that. That'd be
Man,
stupid.
yo,
That'd be stupid.
that's a good idea.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Man.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that that's notarized and everything, so that way it's
Too late. I already got it. I already got it. Too late for that. I got it.
_392 scatpack, baby. I got that raven purple. That's how we do it.
But yeah. He just asked me to put this on my car. Let me see it.
Blake, what you talking
Let me see it. That say Road Reapers. No
Hey,
disrespect.
you know, we out here, you feel me? Road Reapers. You see you line up? You gotta come over here a little distance.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, you see you line up, Road Reapers.
You trying to get me to put that on my car? Hey, I'm gonna show this.
Hey, yo.
I'm gonna show this to my car club.
Yo, you gonna have a gang of dudes from New York. You're like, yo, what the fuck?
I can't put that on my car. Y'all cool though. Y'all cool.
Yeah.
Y'all cool.
Hey, I respect the car club, though. No disrespect to anybody. Though. You know, I'm rocking the road, you feel me?
Shake the block.
You feel me?
Hey, let's do it, man. Yes, sir. Whole lot of Kelly shit. Y'all know what the fuck going on.
Hey, Kelly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
let's do it.
Come
You know
on.
I gotta pop my shit.
Pop your shit.
Hey,
Hey.
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 I got them bitches that's fuck the crew. Pull out the yacht, bitch, see how